if you're in crypto, the safest place to be is Bitcoin. So yeah, I am getting more bullish every day. I really am, but I still believe we are going to take out certain lows. I don't think Mother Market is done messing with us yet. And Mother Market, you know, what is the move that would hurt the most amount of people? You're always got to ask yourself that. The move that I believe, the move that will hurt the most amount of people is a move back down to 20 odd K and taking out all these lick levels. So if we had a move, you know, probably up to 30 to rattle everyone in back into the market, and then, you know, like a move to, you know, just below 20K, and then I think that's going to hurt the most people, because this little move up here is going to suck people into going long. All these yellow areas will get even more yellow, so you'd have even stronger levels. Then eventually when it takes these out, you're going to have a load of people liquidated, hundreds of billions of dollars worth. If it were to then breach 20K, everyone will then go, right, Bitcoin's going to 10K. Just watch, you know, the crypto market get very bearish very quickly. Everyone then start going short, because everyone, you know, you have YouTubers going 10K Bitcoin, and then all of a sudden, bye. And then by that time, there'll be loads of yellow levels on the way up. So if I was Mother Market, that's how I would screw the market over.
That time frame would tie in near exactly with all the other stuff that's going on.
Yeah. We've got and we've got the Fed now that's launching at the end of this month.
Yeah.
1st of July. If I was, or not even Mother Market, if I was a massive manipulator, like a bank or whatever, if I was the SEC even, and I wanted to cause max pain to Bitcoin, because if you look at some of Gary Gensler's tweets, you can see that he really hates Bitcoin, or crypto, not Bitcoin. Like, if I wanted to cause the maximum amount of destruction in Bitcoin, that's the move I'd play. And then you're going to have people getting whipsawed completely.